Welcome to N2 Academy. In this video, you will get learning vocabulary part 3 exercises of class 11 compulsory English subject. Before watching this video, I recommend you to watch my previous part 1 and 2 videos where I have included the learning vocabularies from unit 1 to 10. Here in this part 3, you will get the learning vocabularies from unit 11 to unit 15. Hope you will like this video and I suggest you to use this video as reference to your textbook. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's start our today's discussion about the topic vocabulary part 3. Learning vocabulary unit 11. B number, tick the correct meanings of the underlined words. A number, Martin Luther started a revolt against the conventions of the Roman Catholic Church. The options are styles, first, second creations, third customs, and fourth is writings. The correct answer is customs. B number, it blended classical styles with new ideas. The options are first separated, second corrected, third put side by side, and fourth is mixed together. The correct answer is mixed together. C number, the dome marks the beginning of Renaissance architecture. The options are indicates, second tells, third subs as a sign of, fourth makes. The correct answer is indicates. D number, the arts flourished during the Renaissance. The options are were almost forgotten. Second option, grew and improved. Third, discovered. Fourth, stayed about the same. The correct answer is grew and improved. E number, the new passion for learning also led to amazing discoveries in science. The options are enthusiasm, second emotion, third logic, and fourth is power. The correct answer is enthusiasm. B number, what do the following idioms mean? Use them in sensible sentence. A number, a hot potato, controversial situation. This means the sentence is racism in Nepal has become a hot potato for Nepalese politics. B number, once in a blue moon, very rarely, almost never. Its sentence is my brother comes to visit once in a blue moon because he lives in India. C number, a bed of roses, it means a situation of comfort or ease. Its sentence is my sister is living a life of a bed of roses because she has everything she desires. D number, when pigs fly, it is very unlikely to happen. Sentence is my son plans to clean his house every week but he will probably do it only when pigs fly. A hot potato, नेपालीमा यसलाई अलिकति विरोधाभासपूर्ण अवस्था भनिन्छ. त्यस्तै गरेर बी नम्बरमा वन्स इन अ ब्लू मुन, एकदमै दुर्लभ, मुस्किलले, लगभग नभएको जस्तै. सी नम्बर अफ बेड अफ रोजेस भनेको एकदमै आरामदायक सिचुएसन, रमाइलो अवस्था. डी नम्बरको वेन पिक्स फ्लाइ भन्नाले यो कहिले हुनै सक्दैन, हुन नसक्ने किसिमको अवस्था. नाउ ई नम्बर, मिस द बोट, टु लस एन अपर्च्युनिटी. इफ यु डोन्ट पे एटेन्सन इन क्लास, you will miss the boat and do badly in your exams. F number, zip your lip, to stop talking. Sentence is, it is almost impossible to zip your lip when you are in the company of family or friends. G number, fight tooth and nail with all one's resources or energy. We fought tooth and nail bloodlust. Yes number, when life gives you lemon, turn something negative into a positive. You know what they say about what to do when life gives you lemons. I number, goose, egg, 0 or a score of 0. We had a good game but the score was goose egg. Now E number, miss the boat भन्नाले कुनै अवसर गुमाउनु भन्ने अर्थमा. त्यस्तै गरी F नम्बरको जिप योर लिप भन्नाले कुराकानी गर्न बन्द गर्नु, नबोल्नु. त्यस्तै गरी फाइट टुथ एन्ड नेल भन्नाले आफूसँग जे छ, जे चीज छ ती लिएर लड्नु. एस नम्बर, when life gives you lemon भन्नाले सम्पूर्ण नकारात्मक कुराहरूलाई सकारात्मक कुरामा परिवर्तन गर्नु. आई नम्बर, गुस एग भन्नाले 0 स्कोर. केही पनि नहुने. Now C number, match the following phrasal verbs with their meanings. A number, break down, its meaning is to stop functioning, vehicle, machine. B number, check out, its meaning is to leave a hotel. C number, fed up, its meaning is tired of something or someone. D number, fill out, its meaning is to complete a form. G number, get away, its meaning is to escape. F number, give away, its meaning is to give something to someone for free. D number, give up, its meaning is to quit a habit. S number, look forward to, its meaning is to wait anxiously for something or an event. I number, make up, its meaning is to invent a story or lie. J number, pass away, to die. K number, put out, its meaning is to extinguish fire. L number, take off, to remove clothes or shoes from the body, to depart, as in airplane. Learning vocabulary unit 12. A number, find the meaning of the following words and phrases from a dictionary and make sentences by using them. A number, peep into, chiaunu, to get a quick look into something. The sentence is, he peeped into the room to see his brother. B number, pop down, achanak bahira niskanu, to go someplace or briefly. I need to pop down to the store for some milk. Do we need anything else? C number, remarkable, ullekaniya, outstanding, extraordinary. Its meaning is Narendra Modi is a remarkable person. Okay, D number, hedge, bar, a row of bushes or small trees, usually along the edge of a garden, field or road. Its sentence is, along the river bank there is a hedge. E number, wonder, achamma parno, very surprised or think about it in a very surprised way. Its sentence is, I wonder if she will really get here. F number, tumble, khasnu, fall with a rolling or a bouncing movement. She lost her control and tumbled down the stairs. G number, doze off, nidaunu, fall into a light sleep, especially during the daytime. I closed my eyes for a minute and must have dozed off. Yes number, honestly, imandarita purvak, seriously, sincerely, truly. Sentence is, she earnestly waits for her husband's arrival from London. I number, tiny, sano, is extremely small. Though she was tiny, she had a loud voice. J number, creep, shanta purvak hinnu, move quietly and slowly. He creeps up the stairs in such a way that no one notices. B number, match the words below with their opposites. Number 1, beginning, shuruat, its opposite meaning is ending, antya. 2 number, stupid, murkha, its opposite meaning is clever, chalak. 3 number, natural, prakritik, opposite meaning is artificial, kritrim. 4 number, disappointment, niras, its opposite meaning is happiness, khushi. 5 number, ignorant, ashikshit, its opposite meaning is educated. 6 number, anxiously, chintit hudai, its opposite meaning is calmly, shanti purvak, shanta purvak. Learning vocabulary unit 13. A number, find the words from the text which mean the following. The first letter has been given. A number, making you feel physical, relaxed, pleasant to wear, sit on, etc. Its meaning is comfortable, aramdayak. B number, having a degree from the university. Its meaning is graduate, snatak, शिक्षित भन्दा पनि हुन्छ. C number, without being connected with or influenced by something or by each other. Its meaning is independent, swatantra. D number, the introduction of new things, ideas or ways of doing something. Its meaning is innovation, navinatam. Number, familiar with something, having read, seen or experienced it. Its meaning is acquainted, परिचित. F number, a person who makes money by starting or running businesses, especially when this involves taking financial risks. Its meaning is entrepreneur, uddami. G number, an opportunity or a place for somebody to express their opinions publicly or make progress in a particular area. Its meaning is platform, manch. Yes number, to use something specially for a particular purpose. Its meaning is utilize, upayog. B number, the plural form of bacterium is bacteria. Irregular plural nouns are nouns that do not become plural by adding yes or es, as most nouns in the English language do. Now write the plural forms of the following nouns. Calf, calves. B, basis, bases. Sheaf, sheeps. Cactus, cacti. Louse, lice. Crisis, crisis. Person, persons. Formula, formulae. Ox, oxen. Fungus, funguses. Goose, geese. Oasis, oasis. Analysis, analysis. Curriculum, curricula. Appendix, appendixes. Learning vocabulary unit 14. A number, choose the correct meaning of the underlined word. A number, many portraits of Napoleon show him with his right hand placed inside his coat. The options are shape, second hairstyle, free sketch, movement. The correct answer is sketch. B number, Napoleon won the victory after another defeating the Austrians in 18 battles. The options are number 1 beating, second joining, fighting, directing. The correct answer is beating. C number, portrait painters thought these poses made men look more dignified. The options are good looking, young, third intelligent, energetic. The correct answer is intelligent. D number, they announced France a republic. The options are officially declared, second informally decided, third put into practice, fourth voted into law. The correct answer is officially declared. E number, Napoleon conquered Austria in 1805. First lost, second tried to control, third triumphed over, fourth attacked. The correct answer is triumphed over. F number, there was no place to house his soldiers in the bitter Russian winter. The options are difficult, second cold, dark, empty. The correct answer is cold. G number, Napoleon was humiliated when he was defeated. The options are tortured, punished, confused, shamed. The correct answer is shamed. B number, guess the meaning to these words from the text. Check in your dictionary and make sentences of your own. Number 1, violent hingsak, use physical force or weapons to hurt, injure or kill other people is the meaning. Sentence is, when I first came here, I was very violent. 2 number, execute, hatya garnu, kill someone is a serious crime. Its meaning is. And sentence is, he is believed to have been executed yesterday. 3 number, ancient, prachin, very old. The sentence is, this book belongs to ancient time. Number 4, alliance. This is Gathbandhan, a union or association to work together. Its sentence is, the two parties were still too much apart to form an alliance. 5 number, brilliant, tej, extremely clever or skillful. Its sentence is, he had a brilliant mind. 6 number, genius, pratibha, great ability or skill in a particular subject or activity. This is the mark of a real genius as a performer. Number 7, consul, dut, envoy, agent, ambassador, we can say. Its sentence is, the British consul helped her to return to England. 8 number, invading, akraman, entering a country with the intent of conquest or occupation. Napoleon made his biggest mistake by invading Russia. It's in your textbook, this sentence, just I copied from your textbook. Vocabulary unit 15. A number, match the words on the left side with their meanings on the right. Number 1, proclaim, ghosana garnu, its meaning is declare. 2 number, answering, sthir, steady or constant. Magnanimous, udar, generous or forgiving. Trample, kulchanu, its meaning is cross. 5 number tremendous, धेरै, अत्यधिक, huge. Number inevitable, हटाउन नसकिने, its meaning is unavoidable. Number 7, dire, डरलाग्दो, dreadful is the meaning. 8 number anguish, दर्द, पीडा, distress. 9 number impending, आसन्न, upcoming, आउँदै गरेको. 10 number ruthless, निर्दयी, its meaning is pitiless is the meaning. B number, fill in the blanks with an appropriate word from the list given. Appalling, भयावह, sanguine, सही, slaughter, बध, absurdity, बेतुकापन, futility, व्यर्थता, reluctance, अनिच्छुक, vestir, प्रयास गर्नु. A number, the soldiers suffer appalling injuries during the attack. She is sanguine about prospects for the economic development of the country. C number, innocent people get unexpected slaughter in the war. D number, the crowd laughed at the absurdity of the singer's behavior. E number, the intellectuals should be worried about the horror and futility of war. F number, he sensed her reluctance to continue the work. G number, they bestir themselves at the first light of morning. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel N2 Academy. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you.